We have gathered reviews from all over the internet to provide you with a comprehensive and unbiased look at the MUSICOZY Sleep Headphones Headband, a wireless earbud and headband hybrid designed to enhance your sleep, workouts, and daily routines. If you have experience with this product, please leave your own review in the comments to help others make informed decisions. The link to the product is in the description. Using it supports the channel. The MUSICOZY Sleep Headphones Headband is marketed as a 2-in-1 solution for both sleep and sports. It combines ultra-thin HD stereo speakers with a comfortable, sweat-resistant headband, allowing users to enjoy music, podcasts, or white noise without the discomfort of traditional headphones or earbuds. The headband is made from breathable spandex nylon fabric featuring a durable braided cord and a high elastic lining that is designed to absorb sweat and maintain comfort during extended use. This makes it suitable for a variety of activities, including gym workouts, jogging, yoga, meditation, travel, and especially sleep. One of the standout features of the MUSICOZY headband is its use of Bluetooth 5.4 technology. This ensures strong compatibility with a wide range of devices, including smartphones, tablets, and laptops. The Bluetooth connection is stable and the range extends up to 20 meters, allowing for freedom of movement without frequent dropouts. The headband is equipped with 40mm composite audio drivers, which deliver clear and balanced sound. While the sound quality is not on par with high-end over-ear headphones, many users report that the audio is crisp and pleasant, with a reasonable amount of bass, clear mid-range, and balanced treble. The immersive stereo sound is particularly appreciated for sleep and relaxation, where clarity and comfort are more important than booming bass. Battery performance is another highlight. The MUSICOZY headband is powered by a pure cobalt rechargeable battery, which provides up to 15 hours of continuous playtime on a single 2-hour charge. This extended battery life means that users can listen throughout the night or during long workouts without worrying about frequent recharging. The battery is protected by an advanced electric board, which includes over-temperature protection to safeguard both the user and the device from voltage spikes. Charging is handled via a USB-C cable, and the included components make it easy to keep the device powered up. Comfort is a recurring theme in user reviews. The headband is lightweight and stretchy, accommodating a wide range of head sizes without feeling too tight or loose. Users with larger heads, up to 23.75 inches in circumference, report that the headband fits comfortably and does not cause discomfort, even during extended use. The slim profile of the speakers makes the headband particularly suitable for side sleepers, who often struggle with traditional headphones that press into the ear. The speakers are thin enough that most users do not feel them when lying down, though some mention that the position of the speakers may need occasional adjustment to achieve the best fit and sound quality. The headband also features a built-in microphone, allowing users to take calls without removing the device. The microphone quality is generally rated as above average for Bluetooth headphones in this price range. While it does not include advanced noise-canceling features, it captures voice clearly for phone calls and voice commands. The absence of active noise cancellation is noted, but most users find that the headband provides enough passive noise isolation to mask ambient sounds, especially when playing music or white noise. This makes it effective for blocking out snoring, street noise, or other disturbances during sleep. Ease of use is another area where the MUSICOZY headband performs well. Pairing with devices is straightforward, though some users note that there is no dedicated pairing mode. Instead, the headband automatically reconnects to the last paired device, which can occasionally cause issues if multiple devices are in use. For example, if the headband is paired with both a computer and a phone, it may reconnect to the computer unexpectedly if it powers on during the night. Users recommend unpairing from one device before connecting to another to avoid this inconvenience. Controls are integrated into the headband, typically located at the forehead. These include buttons for power, volume, and playback, which are easy to operate by touch. Some users suggest that placing the controls at the nape of the neck would be more discreet and comfortable, but overall, the controls are functional and intuitive. The headband also supports touch control for basic functions, making it easy to adjust settings without removing the device. Washing and maintenance are important considerations for any wearable device. The MUSICOZY headband is not water resistant, but the electronic components can be removed to allow the fabric band to be washed. Some users find the removal and reinsertion of the speakers and control box to be somewhat tricky, especially the first time. However, with a bit of practice, most users are able to clean the headband without damaging the electronics. The fabric itself is durable and holds up well to regular washing, maintaining its elasticity and comfort over time. In terms of sound leakage, the headband is designed to minimize the amount of audio that escapes into the environment. Users report that when worn properly, the sound is audible only to the wearer, even at moderate volumes. This makes it suitable for shared sleeping spaces or public environments where disturbing others is a concern. The headband does not provide complete noise isolation, so users can still hear important sounds like alarms or notifications if desired. It is recommended to set your phone to silent mode if you do not wish to be disturbed by notifications during sleep. The MUSICOZY headband is versatile and can be used for more than just sleep. Many users wear it during workouts, yoga sessions, or while traveling. The sweat-absorbent design helps keep the headband dry and comfortable during physical activity, though it is not fully waterproof. The lightweight construction and secure fit mean that it stays in place during movement, and the wireless design eliminates the hassle of tangled cords. Customer service and satisfaction are emphasized by the manufacturer. The product comes with a 1-year warranty and a 30-day money-back guarantee, allowing users to try the headband risk-free. The after-sales team is responsive, typically providing solutions within 6 hours of contact. This level of support is appreciated by users, especially those who encounter issues with fit, battery life, or connectivity. Despite its many strengths, the MUSICOZY headband is not without its drawbacks. Some users note that the sound quality, while good for the price, does not match that of premium headphones. The bass response is limited unless the speakers are pressed directly against the ears, which is not practical for most users. Occasionally, one speaker may be quieter than the other or may shift out of position within the fabric band. Adjusting the speakers to align with the ears can resolve this issue, but it may require some trial and error. The lack of active noise cancellation means that the headband is less effective in very noisy environments, though it still provides enough isolation for most users' needs. Another minor issue is the lack of an adjustable strap or closure at the back of the headband. While the elastic fabric accommodates a wide range of head sizes, some users would prefer a more customizable fit. Additionally, the placement of the controls at the forehead may not be ideal for everyone, especially those who prefer to sleep on their stomachs or who find the buttons distracting. Overall, the MUSICOZY Sleep Headphones Headband receives positive reviews for its comfort, versatility, and value for money. It is particularly well suited for side sleepers, those who need to block out snoring or other nighttime noises, and anyone who prefers a lightweight wireless solution for listening to music or white noise in bed. The combination of long battery life, easy connectivity, and washable design makes it a practical choice for everyday use. While it may not satisfy audiophiles or those seeking the highest level of noise cancellation, it delivers reliable performance and comfort at an affordable price point. If you are considering the MUSICOZY Sleep Headphones Headband, keep in mind its strengths in comfort, battery life, and ease of use, as well as its limitations in sound quality and noise isolation. For most users, especially those seeking a better night's sleep or a convenient way to listen to music during workouts, it represents an excellent value. Remember to check the product link in the description to support the channel and to leave your own review if you have tried this product, as your feedback will help others make informed choices.